Well, I've got Tabasco sauce here. It's because I like my steak with Tabasco sauce. It's my favorite hot sauce, just by the way, Tabasco sauce. I love it. Not sponsored by Tabasco sauce, but I do love it. But yeah, today I'm doing salt and cheese, smoked cheddar cheese from the Danish kitchen. Dave, I met with him over the weekend. What an amazing guy! I'll put all these descriptions, his YouTube channel. I'll put everything in the description below. Yeah, I met up with him, and we're gonna do good stuff, nice big stuff together, me and Dave. And he gave me this salt to try this salt. It's all smoked salt. He's doing it himself. You guys must go and have a look at his YouTube channel. Really, the food that he's making there is, I don't want to swear anything, but it is really nice. It is absolutely stunning food that he's making, and all his products.